Hi friends, this video is going to teach you how to create an icon and a screenshot for your Roblox game. So let's explain what those are. So your game will have several screenshots. You can upload them, you select them yourself. It will also have icons that will show up in the list view for your game. So what you need to do is capture a screenshot. Depending if you're on a Mac or a PC, there are different tools for capturing a screenshot. They all work pretty much the same. I use Snagit. I do not recommend it. There's free tools that are much better than Snagit. So Snagit will open in 1 second, I hope. Oh, it's down here. Oopsies. All right. So here's the image that I captured, but it's the wrong dimensions. So I'm going to create a new, or let's copy this one. Command A, Command C. We'll create a new canvas, and it'll be 1920 wide and 1080 tall. That's a standard aspect ratio. I think it might be Ultra HD aspect ratio. And then I'm going to paste my image into this. And since my image is smaller, I'm going to make it big. And I think what I want to do is really capture the create icon sign and also the free kittens. And so there we go. And then I say flatten it. That just turns my picture into part of the canvas. And then crop the canvas. And you'll see all this stuff outside the image gets cut. Pretty cool. And then I'm just going to save this as, so this is a screenshot, so I'll call it, if my game was called 001, monster something, I would just say 001 SS -001, because I might retake it. So we'll save that. And then we need to do a thumbnail. So same thing, create a new one, 512 by 512, paste this in here, and I think what's really going to sell this game is the monster and the free kitten sign right there with the fox. Maybe the fox is just on the edge there. Maybe we don't need, yeah, we need the fox. He looks proud. All right, and so same thing, flatten, and this will be slightly different in your program, but same idea. You just want to end up trimming your picture to the right dimensions. And then I'm going to save this. And what do we call the last one? 0001 screenshot. So I'll call this 000 or 0001 thumb. Or actually, it's not a thumb, it's an icon. And it's good to have simple naming conventions, but that are logical, so you can easily find stuff. So I'll save that, and then we'll go back to Roblox, and we'll go to File, Game Settings, and look at that, it's already got an icon. Let's change this to the new one. This is because my camera software crashed. So we'll go for the icon, upload that. Looks kind of funny. And then we'll save that. And then for the screenshots, we can upload multiple. So we'll go File, Game Settings, and where are the screenshots? Here we go. Oh, look, you can see I've created this video many times before. And because we named it like a logical name, it won't be hard to find. It'll just be 0001 SS 001. And there it is. It looks a lot like the one from the previous video. And then it takes Roblox some time to approve your images, so they won't appear on your game right away. But that's it. Easy peasy. Please subscribe so I can monetize my channel. Thanks.